Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, I bet to all. So today, me and my group gonna explain about our SolidWorks assignment. So our group get a task to make a lab chair in a SolidWorks software. So I am Khairil Aiman bin Amin, number matrix RM22126. So I'm gonna explain about the chair slabs. First, we make the cylinder at the middle, and then and we create the chair slabs. In order to make the chair slabs to be 5, is we use the circular pattern. After that, we extrude it to make it 3D.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Fahim Daniel. My metric number is RM22225. So for the wheel hook, firstly, sketch the inner circle on the front plane and set up the diameter for 6mm. For the outer circle, set up the diameter 20mm. As is sketch, after that, extrude the circle and set up 50mm and click tick symbol. Click on reference and select plane to make a new plane. Under reference plane option and select top plane and set offset in 3mm. For the wheel hook cylinder, we sketch circle on the plane 1 and set the diameter to 50mm. As is sketch and click extruded the circle and set to 50mm. For the wheel part, first sketch on the right plane, set up 45mm for the width to the left from the origin, as for the height is 30mm. Continue sketch line from the height and set up 50mm to the right. As is sketch and then click revolve, and then for the axis of revolution, select line 1 and under direction 1 for the reverse direction, select line and set the angle 316 degree.
Assalamualaikum. So my name is Muhammad Nabi Fan bin Muhammad Amin. My metric number is RM22210. So I want to talk about the drawing step for the seat part. Okay, firstly, you can sketch on right plane, set up a line width 500mm and 65mm for the height. Secondly, click exit sketch and then choose extruded boss and set to 500mm and click the tick symbol. Next, you can click sketch on the right plane again and set up the height to 650mm and width 65mm. And then click exit sketch and extruded boss and set to 500mm and click the tick symbol. And lastly, for exit life backs on the bottom, we also sketch from the right plane and set up the width 65mm and the height 180mm. And for the armrest part, we use the swipe boss feature and also mirror, so that we can attach the armrest to the seat part. Okay, that's all.
This section, we have 4 parts that we need to assemble, which is wheel hook, the seats and the base. We also use circular pattern features for the wheel and wheel hook. While finishing this project, we're actually facing some problems, especially about the measurement things, because some parts are dimensionally hard to measure, especially those that has tapers, fillets of angle shapes. We have a problem because we don't have enough measuring instruments such as micrometer, radius gauge and height gauge. The reason why it is hard to measure the diameter of the seat tilt tension control using only vernier caliper. The second one is hard to measure the curvature of life back using measuring tape. We are also facing a problem to measure all the components in the connector because of the tight space to measure each component using only vernier caliper and measuring tape, because it is supposed to measure using micrometer. For the conclusion, to sum up, we have achieved the main objective of this project, that is to draw the chair using SolidWorks software. We as a teamwork facing many obstacles to measure the chair precisely, and then we draw the object in the SolidWorks. After all the drawing have finished, we already achieved the main objective of this project. The chair consists 4 parts, that is life back and seats, the base, wheel and the wheel holder. Some of parts is measured by using vernier caliper and the other is using measuring tape. We face several problems while doing the measurements and drawing, but we still managed to overcome it in time. Thank you.